Bead Hero is an easy-to-use hydrophobic ceramic spray coating designed to produce water beads that slide out the vehicle's paint easily. This ceramic formula produces water beads with an ultra-low sliding angle of inclination. And what this means is anytime it rains or you wash your car, the water is just going to want to run off and take all the dirt, the dust, the pollution with it. Here's how you can get a ceramic coating for your car at a fraction of the cost of hiring a professional to do it for you. Bead Hero is an easy-to-use spray-on, wipe-off ceramic coating. It's that simple. Do the normal steps you would. So wash the car, dry the car. If the car needs to be clayed, those are things you should normally take care of anyways. After you've got the car clean and dry, it's real simple. Just mist a little bit onto your towel, mist a little onto the paint, spread it around thoroughly, flip to the dry side of your towel, and wipe it off. It's that fast, it's that easy. As you can see in this before and after, the water on the before side is just laying flat. On the after side that we treated with Bead Hero, the water is trying to flee off the paint and take with it any dirt that's accumulated. If you have any questions about Bead Hero, give us a call at 773-404-1600 or shoot us an email to myteam@drbeasleys.com.